Here's the Raritan piston ring. I drilled it a 1/4 inch at first, then a half. Now I've started, a 1/4 inch, then 3/8, then a half. Now this is my 3/4 inch drill. I've already started it, and I'm going to drill a little more in so you can see what it looks like. And then after that, we'll bore the ID to the finished size. So I'll just show you a couple seconds of drilling 3/4 inch. Okay, I think you get the idea. I'll do a little more off camera. And next will be boring. No pun intended. Thanks for watching.